Welcome back to this section, and specifically the section looking at plugins on your website. Once you've logged into the dashboard, if you go down the navigation pane, you will note that there's a plugin section right here. If I select the plugin section, it will actually bring up the plugin screen. You might ask what a plugin is. So let's go and have a look at the definition for a plugin. WordPress defines a plugin as a program or a set of one or more functions written in PHP code that adds a specific set of features or services to your WordPress site, and these can seamlessly integrate with your WordPress. So in simple terms, it is add-ons for your website depending on what you require. A simple example is if you'd like members to sign into your website, you will require a membership plugin, and that will create the functionality for members to go at the top, log in and gain access to pages that are only visible to members. That will be all done through a plugin that offers a set of one or more functions and allow you to seamlessly integrate into your website. Therefore, the end user or your visitors believe that is all done within the same PHP code. In fact, it is. It's an add-on that you create on the back end. In this section, what I'd like to do is just have a brief overview of the plugins. I will not go into the individual plugins right now. I will actually have separate sessions for each of the plugins if you would like to learn more about them. However, in this section, just a brief overview. From the navigation pane, we go into the workspace on the right hand side. At the top, select what we'd like to see. If we'd like to add a new plugin, which we will do in just a moment, and then all of our plugins listed below. We've got 16 in total on this website. 14 are active, 2 are inactive. If we start by looking at the inactive plugins, there are 2 plugins. These 2 plugins come as standard with your installation of WordPress. You can click on the select button to select all of them, or you can go and select individual plugins depending on your choice. You have an option here to go and create bulk actions, and in this instance I'd like to delete these. Simply select apply. You will be asked to confirm whether you would like to delete these files, and I will select yes. As you can note now, there are no inactive plugins, only the active plugins on my screen. And the selected plugins have been deleted notification will appear in your bar at the top. You're also able to search for a plugin if you need to search for one. So for instance, Yoast SEO, and when you click the search button, it will actually bring up the individual plugin that you search for. It's really easy actually to add a plugin, and I'll show you how to do that. There's the add a plugin button right here. Select that button. All of the plugins that you can select which are available for you to use. Or alternatively, you can upload a plugin, and I will do both methods. Let's first of all go and search for a plugin. And in this instance, if I just search for Akismet, press the return button, the plugin will appear and you'll be able to search for more information if you'd like more information by clicking on more details. This will outline any details that you'd like to read through, how to install it, what is this plugin used for, the average rating, as you can see, 428 5-star reviews, very good, and simply click the install now button here, alternatively the install button right on the page where you search for. Once you've installed it, you need to select activate plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you will get the options to customize those, entering details, for instance API keys if you need to, etc. Don't worry if you don't understand the abbreviations that I've just used. They are not critical for you to understand at this stage. Okay, if we just return to the plugin installer, we can also upload a plugin. If we have a plugin, select the file where the plugin was downloaded to, open the plugin and install. Again, we can activate the plugin. That is plugins, how to install a plugin, how to remove a plugin, and also the functionality that it provides. I hope you enjoyed the session and see you in the next one.